Clear.
Okay, full aft trim, 4,500 feet. And let's do a left turn to north. Left turn north. Alright, now I got a problem. So, what do we do? Mixture, throttles, fuel pumps. Gear, pumps on. Okay, right. Dead foot, dead engine on the right. Everything's up. Trim 38. Alright, verify. Left foot, dead engine. Firm. Good. Secure. Ready? Yep. Feather. Left feather. And she's feathered.
Nice.
Alright, secure left engine. Roll.
And then this we do it from when you use the checklist. Alright. When basically, once it's feathered, then it's the checklist.
Once we're happy. Okay. Left engine. I'd like to start, does it?
Gosh, 70 seems kind of slow, doesn't it?
Yeah, 75 is good.